I'm Prakhya Indumati, working as professor in Samhita Engineering College. M has given a good intro, and thank you, ma'am, who is the coordinator, and thank you IIC to give me this opportunity. And today we are going to discuss about intellectual property. So, how many of you are aware of intellectual property? To know about intellectual property, first we have to know about what is innovation. Okay, innovation is something that provides solution to the country's challenges. Country's challenges means not for the defense, not for the MNCs like that. Just in your day-to-day life, whatever the challenges, whatever the problems you are facing, if you address them in a new approach, then it is named as innovation. It is essential for us to adapt the culture of innovation, looking at the world challenge also. Okay, not only in the day-to-day life challenges, but also how to face all the things all around the world because we are having all the thing in our hand. That is through mobile phone. We are accessing all the information, all the technologies through over the full world. So we can make a change over there. This is what innovation is. And if you see with India, India is in the global innovation index of in the position of 40. So for the past two, that is 21, 22 up to 20, sorry, 22, 23, it is in the 40th position only. Before that, if you check in 2016, it is in the 66th position. And little by little, we improved ourselves and we came into 40th position. Based on these things only. That is knowledge and tech outputs, market sophistication, and business sophistication, human capital and research, institutional research and innovations, creative outputs, and infrastructure. So our India ranks 14th and lacks in infra and R&D spend. So related to GDP, India has performed above expectations for its level of development. However, it ranks low in infrastructure. Its R&D to GDP ratio also lacks. So what we have to do? We have to do new things. And as we are all technical persons, and our college is also an engineering college, so as we are all technical persons, we have to move up technically or even non-technical innovation is also there. So we have to move technically and we have to implement that and we have to prove we are the pioneer in technology and we have to prove that. And whenever an innovation came up, that innovation you can register in IP office, intellectual property office as a patent or something like you can get copyrights, you can get a trademark for your business. Like that, you can apply over there, and you can have your ownership for your idea. That's what IP is. So defining of a new product is means the product should be very much new to the world, and it will have new product line, new line extensions. There is existing line to that. If you add on something, that is also named as a new thing, right? Line extensions or repositionings, cost reductions, incremental product improvements like that. First, you have to, if you are finding an idea, you have to first check whether it is prioritized or not prioritized. If it is not prioritized, the impact is very much low, so you have to drop it. Okay. So, and if the impact for the product is very high, you have to go for it. And if it is long term and the impact is high, then if it takes long time also, you can go for that. Otherwise, if the timing, the life period of the product is very much low, then you can leave it. If impact is low, you leave it. Okay. Otherwise, if impact is high and less time, you can go. And if impact is high and if you take long term, it's very much excellent, you can go for it. So like that only we have to find idea. The content won't be copied by someone else. It should be literary, dramatic, musical, or artistical works that work ideas expressed in material form, no copyright in ideas or facts. If it is come in material form, then only we can do that. Then cinematograph films also copyrighted, and sound recordings, track lengths also copyrighted. Okay, there are two kinds of rights: moral rights and economic rights. Moral rights is to protect the personality of author. Economic rights is to bring economic benefits. So once you have registered, that is, you have given your content to publisher, they can have copyright registration under your name as author and applicant by the publisher. So you can have the royalty rights in shared manner. So most of the publishing companies are giving the rights royalty rights as 60-40 or 70-30. So 40 or 30 goes to the publisher. So moral rights are rights of authorship, right of integrity, digital manipulation, or no right for display, inalienable rights. And economic rights are right of reproduction, right of disruption or issuing copies, right of communication to the public, adaptation rights, right to make a cinematographic film or sound recording, translation rights, rental rights, resale rights. These are all economic rights which come under commercial thing. And in moral rights, okay. And the duration of copyright. Literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works published during lifetime of author plus 60 years. Okay. And all other works, 60 years from date of publication, there is posthumous and anonymous works, works of government and organization, cinema and sound recording, photograph, around 60 years only. But this literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works, lifetime of the author plus 60 years. They will be having copyright under their name. And now it is patent. Patent is for industrial application only. And if the product is having any commercial value and it is having an industrial application, then only we can go for patent. Patent is an exclusive right related to an invention, which will be a product or process that provides new way of doing something. And it can offer a new technical solution for the problem. And it can be commercialized, it can apply under industry scale so that we can get monetary benefit through patent. Otherwise, it's a dead patent only. The limited monopoly right granted by the state enables an inventor to prohibit another person from manufacturing, using, or selling the patented product or from using the patented process without permission. So, whoever is registering for patent can have their monopoly right to prevent others to use the same thing. Okay, the period of patents is 20 years. And conditions of patentability: if you have to go for patent, it should have novelty, it should have inventive step, and it should have industrial application. So novelty means invention not known to public prior to time by inventor. You haven't implemented it, right? Then only you can go for it. And it can have inventive step. That is, invention would not be obvious to a person with ordinary skill in the art. So just like that, you cannot go for patent. That should be an inventive step, not existing thing. Okay. Industrial application: invention can be made or used in any useful or practical activity as distinct from purely intellectual or aesthetic one. Okay. And industrial design: next to patents, we will be having industrial design. So some of the examples to better explain how consumer products are patented. So you have seen this brush, right? Daily we are using toothbrush. And there are so many types of toothbrushes there in the market. If you go to supermarket, you can see different types of brushes. There's bent one, straight one, conical one, automatic one, and with bristles, with no bristles. Like there's so many types of brushes there, and every brush model is patented. Okay, as like pens. In throughout our educational process and after our educational process also, we are using pens. And there are so many types of pens. For example, you may take Reynolds. Okay, so over the Reynolds is the trade name. Okay, Reynolds is the trade name. It's having different design for name, different design for cap, different body design, different design for its refill. Everything is patented. And in pharmaceutical products also we are having patent. That is the color combinations, the cap and the cap over here, and here see the difference in the cap, syringe models, and the dispensers. Like that, everything over here is also. So you know, right? Pfizer is a trade name. Under Pfizer, we are having so many medical products, and those medical products are all patented. The combinations, the shape, the packaging, everything is patented. Okay. And in textile and jewelry also we are having patent and copyrights. So we are wearing daily girls are used to wear different ornaments, and those ornaments are come out as new designs. So they can go for, if you are designing your own jewelry, you can go for design registration, industrial design registration, and you can monetize through the registration. No one can use the design thereafter. You will be having sole proprietorship for that, and like that fabrics. So in textile and jewelry also we are having design patent, design registration as well as patent registration. And if you describe the design, you can get copyright also. The rights of the registered proprietor. The proprietor of the registered design has the exclusive right to apply the design to any article in the class in which the design is registered. We are having different classes, and you have to fix in under which class you are registering the design. Okay, that's very much important. And period of production is less than 10 years, extendable by 5 years. Design is having very less. It's nothing but the brand name, like Coca-Cola, like Pepsi, like Reynolds. Okay, it's just a brand name, a name of an enterprise or a mark capable of being represented graphically, distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of the other. Example: Lux, Godrej, TVS, Telco, Superfine, Apple. And you can see in apples, labels will be there. California apple, Kashmir apple, like the different logos are there in the apple. The stickers will be there. Those are all their trademarks. And Apple company is also there, right? Apple company, you know, if you see an apple with a bite, you can easily identify this is Apple company. Without that itself, nowadays everyone is identifying Apple company, Apple gadgets. And as like that, if you see Coca-Cola bottle, seeing the bottle itself without the name, without having the sticker itself, you can identify this Coca-Cola bottle, right? You can distinguish what is Coca-Cola bottle, what is Pepsi bottle. That's what the great brand they have in our country. Okay, this is what brand is. That should be sign, word, letter, number, drawing, picture, emblem, color, or combination of colors. The shape of goods also can be used. Graphical representation or packing or any combination of the above will be used as a brand under trademark. So trademark is any distinctive word, letter, numeral, picture, shape, color, logo type, or label. So here I have given some of the trademarks, which is Yahoo, Adidas. Seeing the symbol itself, you can identify, right? Adidas. This one, what is the symbol? Seeing the symbol itself, you can tell, right? Reebok, Shell, here Benz, HP, that's in the letter itself. And seeing the symbol itself, you can tell Toyota. Like that Skoda also, you can tell, right? All the IP rights, and now we are having a CD player over here. Nowadays we are not using CD player, but with the CD player we can explain very much clear, right? That's why CD player. So you see the CD player here. We are having different IP registration. So first, the design of the CD player, which is in 3D shape, so it comes under industrial design. Okay, the music played on the CD player can be registered under copyright, and various technical parts and mechanisms will be registered under patent. And if it is any of the Philips or Sony, based on the brand, it can have commercial value. So brand name comes under trademark. So within one single gadget, we are having four IP rights. Like that, you can design your own gadget or your own. You can design your own servicing process, and you can go for copyright, industrial design, or trademark and patents. Okay. So the IP rights are for a patent. The whole product is considered as a patentable device, and the Apple is considered as a trademark. Here, see the Coca-Cola bottle. This is the combination of chemicals used over here is considered as trade secret, and the full bottle with the juice, whatever coming for commercial value, is considered as patent. And the design of the bottle comes under the industrial design, and the Coca-Cola is the trademark name, which is the brand. So, like that, we are having IP rights in each and every single product. Okay. Then Tirupati Laddu and Kolhapuri Chappal are come under geographical indications. Okay. And the validity of IPR for patent it is 20 years. We have to renew every year, which is mandatory. It's coming under the Patent Act 1970, amended in 2005. Trademark maximum protection is lifelong, but we have to renew after 10 years. And the act is coming under the Trademarks Act 1999, amended in 2010. Whatever the IP owner fixes, that has to be implemented over there. If I'm having an IP for a product and my friend is asking for that IP right, there is that technology to be commercial. Okay. The particular uses for which the IP can be used are also generally specified. Needs to be careful about the competitive law. So licensing is very much profitable because IPM revenue from patent licensing is by 2002 itself $1.7 billion. Texas Instruments generated $3 billion in licensing in 10 years itself, and most of the universities are getting royalties. And moreover, in IIC also we are having Kapila scheme. Through Kapila scheme, some 4 to 5 lakhs have been given for registration of patent. So all universities in our country are. So the organizational structure of our IP offices will be with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry under Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. So with that, the head should be Controller General of Patent Structure. So in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, they have given the jurisdiction to particular regions. Like Mumbai, trademark registry is with Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa. Ahmedabad is connected with Gujarat, Rajasthan. Union territories of Daman, Diu, Dadra, and Nagar Haveli. And the Chennai trademark registry is for Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Pondicherry, and Lakshadweep. Kolkata Education has connected this, and a sum of 5 lakhs have been granted to each and every innovation. 5 to 15 lakhs they told, but finally they have given 5 lakhs at least. And with these innovations, we can enter for Make in India, which is the major national innovative with the top 25 sectors of economy, where we can do business easily, and it is a time-based initiative. Okay, so these are the 25 sectors. If you search in Google as Make in India 25 sectors, you can see what are the students. Do you have any doubts?
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of IIC and Shri Guru Gobind Singh College, I would like to thank Dr. Indumati for sharing this informative session. I would like to extend our gratitude to our management and our worthy principal for helping us organize this event. I would like to thank the coordinator of IIC, Dr. Suresh Pala, and all faculty members and student volunteers for organizing a successful event. Finally, on behalf of IIC, I thank all of you for being a wonderful audience. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.